So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set payment method in the Temu app. First, let's open up the app. And here it opens up in the home menu. From here we just go into the U menu. Then in the top right corner tap on the settings button. And then at the top we tap on your payment methods. And here we can just tap on add a credit or debit card, and this is going to redirect us to a page where we can add our credit or debit card information, and then just after we have completed it, proceed by add your card, and then this card is going to be added to our Temu account, and whenever we purchase we can just select this card to pay with that. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.